Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making everyone's favorite dessert, that is tiramisu cake. For this I am going to add some eggs. To it I am adding sugar. If you want to know the quantity, it's in the description box below. And I'm also adding some vanilla essence, and I'm going to beat this batter so well that it becomes very fluffy. You can do this by hands, but you will need a lot of efforts to make the batter very fluffy and smooth. It is my dad's birthday tomorrow, so I want a cake which I can eat as a dessert also. So I have planned of making this tiramisu cake, and it's my parents' favorite cake. You can freeze this cake even up to 8 days. This is the main process of this biscuit because you are not going to add baking soda, no baking powder, no any rising agent. This is what helps the cake or the biscuit to rise nicely. My batter is now doubled in size, and now I'm going to add the flour, and I'm going to slowly mix it well with the spatula, and I'm not going to use the hand beater again because I don't want the batter to lose the air from it. Once I know that there are no lumps in the batter, I'm going to grease the tins, and I will pour the batter into the tins and bake the batter for around 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Tap the batter before baking to release the air bubbles. My cakes are ready and they are out of the oven, and I'm going to keep them for cooling now. Now for the icing, I'm going to make a mousse. So I'm going to put some gelatin in the cold water and allow it to bloom, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave. While it's getting hot, I'm taking some fresh milk cream. To it I'm adding the cream cheese, and I will mix it well, and to this I'm adding some sugar because my fresh cream has no sugar in it, and I'm adding some vanilla, and I'm going to mix this well. Once this has nicely mixed, I'm going to strain the mixture so that there are no crystals of sugar left in the icing. The gelatin has now nicely melted, and I'm going to add this hot gelatin to my icing, and I will mix it well and keep in the fridge for around 2 hours or till it cools completely. I want it to be nice and cold. While that is chilling in the fridge, I'm taking hot boiling water, and I'm adding some instant coffee to it, and I'm taking my dad's favorite alcohol, and I'm adding it to the coffee, and I will mix it well and keep it aside. It's been 2 hours and my icing is nice and thick, and to this I'm adding the whipping cream powder. I have added the whipping cream powder because I couldn't find the frozen one or the liquid one in the superstore. So if you are adding the sweetened powder or the whipping cream, you can adjust the sugar which you have added before to this icing. I'm going to beat this now for around 10 minutes till it gets nice and airy. And I'm again going to put it in the fridge for around 5 minutes. My cakes have nicely cooled and now I'm going to arrange it. So I have taken the cake ring. If you don't have the cake ring, no need to worry. You can just place it on the cake board. And I'm soaking it with the syrup and now adding the whipping cream or my tiramisu cream. And I will continue this process till I finish with the cake layers and the cream. I'm going to leave some cream for my later use because I want to make the design on top of the cake. This is my last layer of the cream, and I have left 1 cup of cream to make the dollops on top of the cake when I'm ready to cut it. And I am going to sprinkle some cocoa powder on top of the cake when I'm ready to use it. I have freezed this cake for around 12 hours and now it's time for me to remove it from the tin. And here is my cake. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.